wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Oh, Elsa and I'm playing it. Elsa! Do you see them? Yeah, look out there. Those are all my friends I was telling you about. Hi, kids. I was telling Elsa about you and how much I like playing with you. Yeah? Would you guys like to play with me and Elsa today? Yeah? Great. So first I'll say hi. Hi, kids. I'll say from A to Z, you say from east to west. Okay. Hi, kids! From A to Z, from east to west. I'm Olivia. Now you say your name. And I'm Elsa. Welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! 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 And then you gotta yell yay. Yay! Yay! Oh, she did very good, huh, kids? Yeah, that was her first time. Do you know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna play with ice. Do you guys see all these blocks in front of us? That's because Elsa can make ice, so we're having Elsa touch all the blocks. Ice, freeze it, and then we're gonna make Elsa's ice castle. That's so exciting, huh? Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, Elsa, freeze the blocks. Freezing the blocks. That's the sound of the wind. So you just sit there. Thank you for freezing the blocks. Okay, have a wall. We've got one wall right there. Oops. Sorry, Elsa, I moved your feet. Thank you. Okay, and then this one will go here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, and now this one too. Oh, these ones are 2 pieces. Oh, these ones are just little ones. Okay. So this is going to be a little smaller wall. Oh, but we'll make it smaller, shorter, but it'll be taller. Yeah, make Elsa's ice castle really strong. Okay, we can do a second one of that. Yeah. You like that, Elsa? I like it very much, Elsa says. That's good. I like making ice castles. Have you guys ever made an ice castle outside? Yeah? I've done it too in the winter. Yeah, you can make an ice castle in the winter. It's very fun. We'll set this part up in the front, side, and we need this piece. Oops, I keep knocking it over. That's why I have to put them together. Okay. Oh, good, and then we'll put on some towers. 1 tower. And, aw, I thought I had more tower. Okay, let's find some more tower. Find Elsa, and then that one goes there. Ooh, Elsa, let's see. Do you like your beautiful ice castle? This is a beautiful ice castle. I wish there was a bigger tower. Oh, beautiful. Ah! Psh, freeze! Oh! Oh no, that's my ice tower. Oh, that's great. Oh, guys, Noah brought the ice tower. Okay, Noah, bring it over here. Put it on the castle. What's that, Noah? What? Kids, do you guys know what he's saying? I can't. Noah, just move your mouth and talk to me. Just tell me. What? Oh wait, what's that, Elsa? Oh, kids. Elsa thinks that it's because he's frozen. Oh, I know. Okay, let's unfreeze him. On 1. Are you ready, kids? Can you help me with this? Okay, let's all do it together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Unfreeze! Oh, he melted. Noah. Oh no. Guys, have the powers of ice.
I was trying to bring you your tower.
Yeah, thank you. Can you help put it on? Here, let me sit Elsa back down again. Let me sit her down so she can supervise.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. I got caught in her dress. I need to put this wall back up. Ooh.
Do you like the tower?
Yeah, I love the tower. That's really, really nice. I like how tall it is, huh?
It looks really, really nice.
Yeah, it looks really, really nice. That's a really good job.
Thank you.
Ooh. Do you like the whole ice castle?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, and
it
it's
looks
all
very,
ice
very
colors.
cold.
It's very cold.
But it fits my sweater.
Oh, it does fit your sweater. I like your sweater. And
Yeah.
do you like that it's blue?
I love that it's blue.
Yeah. Maybe Elsa and I made this ice castle for you.
Oh, you did?
Here, yeah. You can have the ice castle. That's a gift from Elsa because she froze you.
Ha!
Yeah.
That's nice.
We could.
So what do we do now, though?
We could either build it taller or we could knock it down and build it again.
Is this because... Are you building this because of Frozen 2 coming out?
Oh, yeah. I forgot to tell the kids. Yeah, guys. There's Elsa's making...
Whoa. You forgot to tell the kids?
Yeah, I was just so excited playing that I didn't think about it. We were busy building a castle. Yeah. See,
Wow.
Elsa was making her castle.
Kids, are you excited about Frozen 2 coming out?
Yes!
I wonder what's going to happen.
I do too. I saw she's gonna be able to go psh, psh, and run across the water. Psh, psh,
Yeah,
psh.
but I think her magic skills are going to be challenged, aren't they?
Yeah, she's gonna have to work harder than ever, and probably I think that she's gonna have to work with Anna and Sven and Olaf, and they all have to work together.
Oh, but don't forget Kristoff.
Oh, and Kristoff. Yeah.
But I think I know what we need to do.
What do you think we need to do?
Well, if Elsa's skills and abilities in magic are going to be tested and challenged,
Yeah.
we need to train her.
Oh, yes. Let's train her.
I know how.
How? Okay, now Elsa, you have to rebuild it.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye, kids. I'm gonna go.
Bye, kids. Bye. Okay, we're gonna rebuild this train, you Elsa. Super ice. Okay, you sit there. Sit down. Okay, let's make it even taller this time. Yeah, let's do it real tall. Woo. Yeah, that's great. Wow. Okay, thanks kids, thanks for coming. I hope that you helped train Elsa on your own too. Okay, let's do another one. Oh. Yeah, oh, this one's gonna be really, really tall. Oops. Yeah, that's such a tall ice tower. Let's put this other one up too. Oh yeah, this one's gonna be even better than before. I'm making the biggest ice tower ever. This tower is so tall. Okay, oh. And here we got to.
So how's the training going?
It's going really good. Look how tall it is now. Wait, can you pick up that last piece over there?
Oh, I'll try. Hold on.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I think she
Ow.
needs more training.
Noah.
Okay, I guess now it's time to say goodbye to the kids.
Yeah. I
We're
like
just training Elsa.
I know. I'm sorry, but I was really proud of that one. I wanted it to stay tall.
Oh, but look, the tower's so tall.
Oops.
Oops.
That one was an accident. Oh, I don't think that was an accident, guys.
Well, kids, I'm gonna help Elsa build a ice castle as well.
Taller castle.
So we'll see you next time.
Okay, see you next
on our
time.
Frozen special episode because Frozen 2 is coming out.
Frozen 2 is coming out.
Yay!
Okay,
Bye,
bye,
kids.
Bye for
Bye.
Elsa. Elsa says bye.
Bye, Elsa.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment because we would love to hear from you. And we want to hear what you think of Olivia.